Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Beloit, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beloit, Delavan, Walworth, Clinton, Sharon, Darien, Tiffany, Allens Grove, Delavan Lake, Chapir, and Afton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning.